Hola friends! So today we got a unboxing. So this have been really excited because I've been waiting for show you about these two boxes that I found out for different wholesalers. So one of them I cannot tell you because I didn't find it by myself. So it was somebody to tell me, and you know who you are, to tell me which company was really good, and it have been good every time they are buying something. So we will check it out if they are still good. And the other one is this company they calls America's Thrift Supply. We will open that one first and see how it goes. So, and you let me know if you finding good. So first of all, the box is for you, lane 12 by 12 by 12, and I don't remember what it was. The idea with this is to have some items in the eBay store that I can selling every day. So let me open it. It coming from the inbox or the Shopify. I cannot show you my address or nothing, but this is what I ordered. And as you can see, I hope you can see it, but this is a premium denim supply mystery box, and it's 5 pairs of jeans. So the cost was $39.99 total, and it was a really good price. So I say, why not? I don't like surprises, I don't like mystery boxes, but hopefully this one it comes good. So it's 5 jeans, and for started, as you can see, it looks good already. Thanks for supporting America's Thrift Supply. Unbox, purchase on YouTube or share on Instagram for 10% of your next order. Use code, la, and then add America's Thrift Supply. So yeah, 10%. We got this Miss Me. You know, everybody know Miss Me. It's a short. It have some stains here. I don't know if I can take it out, but that's the stains in there, as you can see, and it's stains in here. So yeah, the brand is good, but with stains, I don't know. Look, I don't have time for, that's size 28. Look, I don't have time for start to check it out, the stains, and I don't know if it was something that they put in the box or what, but it's stains everywhere. So this one is, no, sorry, but oh my god, really? Check it out, these pants. This is the reason I do not like mystery boxes. So sorry for my nails. This week I'm going to check it out, and then, but see that I never pick it out, items like this, even if the brand is good, because they will not sell. So there is Miss Me again, size 32. Maybe I can wear myself, but yeah, no, that's a no too. Okay, Lucky Brand is a really good brand, so it's one of the brands on my list. And this is a Lolita Skinny. Yeah, probably is a good. I will leave the contact here. There we go, Lucky Brand. And there it is. Yeah, this one probably will sell for $20 with shipping. So I haven't made the money for the box yet, so no good so far. Okay, so they got Miss Me again. This one looks really good condition. There we go. There is Miss Me. There is. So I had to check it out better, but this one This one you will pay the box probably. Oh my god, look, really bad in there. And then it got in here. Okay, if you're watching this, you got really bad box. So this is a really big Levi's. Okay, so, hello, this is not premium. So EA but 32. Come on guys, really? Levi's M3 M5 41 is really good for eBay, but I don't know about the size. So, and it will sell for $20 only, so not impressed about that one. So another Miss Me. Okay, I love all the Miss Me items in here. This one have a stain already in there. Again, it's Miss Me, size 29. And my god, so have good details in there. I just saw that stain in there, so yeah. I am not sure if I will buy these bugs again. Okay, this is the second time that I've been buying from them. The first one I wasn't on YouTube, but I didn't like it. So I don't know if I will make the money for this box, and I probably will make another video about it. So not impressed. I don't like it. So count. Okay, the good point is it was 5 pieces. The box, it was 5 pairs, and they put 1 extra. So good points for that. But yeah, I need to check it out, the listing, and see if you say they got flats and all that. So it was my fault. But will I recommend to you? I don't know. I probably won't, because that's $39.99. That probably you will buy 5 pairs of jeans out there at the thrift store and recoup the money. So I don't know. I don't think so. So this one I cannot tell you. I cannot tell you which company it is, because somebody told me about this company and it have been really, really good. That's the reason that I love to have a people around me. So they come in. I like it because this is one coming who classify the pieces and how many pieces. So this is 50 pieces of keychains. So what I ordered this is because it will be easy for list, it will be easy for take pictures, and plus that I will have an item that I would like to sell daily and trigger other sales in my store. So let me see how they coming. But that's just for you can have an idea, and let me show you in here for you can see it. So this is how the box coming. As you can see, it's a marble keychains, and I found that this one we will sell around $5. Yeah, around $5 each. But I will show you some of them and see what you think. Let me know what you think. Okay, so all of these are found me, and it's tagged and tracking and find it through Bluetooth, which is really cool. So we got not just Marvel, but we got Star Wars. So as you can see in here, we got a Star Wars. There we go, Star Wars. We got Marvel with the Avengers, and we got Deadpool from Marvel. So the ones I am showing you are the ones different. The other ones I will just put in here for them counting. Okay, they got a Spider-Man, which is cool. There he is. They got Thor. It's so cool though. They got Thor. Okay, we got one defect in here. As you can see, this one went coming bad. So 5 points for that one. And we got Hulk in there. If anyone is interested in this keychain, I will give you for a good price though. So we got Spider-Man again. Okay, this one is the one that was bad. Boba Fett for the Star Wars. There we go. So we got one bad one for that one. And Spider-Man again. Okay, Spider-Man again. I am so excited to start to see if I can get my money back. This one was, I think it was $50 the box. I think Deadpool will sell better. So let me see what my brother think about it, because we are Marvel fanatics. So Iron Man is in there. I think I showed you before. Iron Man is in there. Deadpool again. I wish that we got more Deadpool or Captain America, because I know that one we will sell good. So we got Thor, we got more Star Wars, we got more Star Wars. Okay, we got a different one. This is not, oh, this is for open doors. How cool is that one? It's a Batman, a touch-free keychain. Huh. Batman. It's not even from Marvel, right? Okay. I do not like mystery boxes, but it is what it is. What I like is they protecting really good the products. They put paper and everything, which is really cool. So now I'm going to count, and I will check it out some comes and let you know in here in a moment. So we got one defect. Is this one. Probably I can fix it. So we'll see. So let me count. We got only 45 of the keychains, and I pay for 50. What is wrong with these companies? What they don't give what they're promising? I don't know. But this one, you have been one of my best companies lately, and I will not make my money back already because I paid 50 and I received just 45. So, and one defect, so 44. So no good. No good. So I'll let you know about some comes. Let me find out about the comes and see if I will make my money back compared with comes, and I go back with you.
A few minutes later.
Okay, friends, after do all the numbers, you know, I love numbers again. So in the American Thrift Supply, considering the lowest price and being very optimistic and I use for all these the coins for therapy. So we will make $17 of profit. So would I buy that game? Probably I will, because let me see how ended up all the sales. But I will, because I don't have to go and look for these items. I add the business costs, the taxes, possible advertising or promoting for the listing, coupons, and I add the fees and everything, all the cost of the items, all that is in there, and I will make around $17. And what I like for that part, the sell-through rate is really good. An average is around 15% compared with jeans, and the whole category for the clothing is really good. So that's for the American Thrift Supply. I would recommend to you check it out too and see how it goes. As you can see, we found many flaws, but if the brand is good, we will see if it will sell. Considering now the keychain box, mystery box, this one was really surprising, because even that we didn't receive the whole quantity of items that we was expected to receive, and that is the only bad point that I see in this box. Some of them, each keychain, it was worth $21 for each of them, which is the Deadpool. If you find it out there, you will know. So it was two of them that didn't find them, so I put the lowest price, $10, around $10. And the total profit after all the fees, after business expenses, after everything, even promoting listing, we will make around $94, which is amazing. That was the best one. And pros, I will see if I can lower more the prices and see if these items sell more faster, because I want the money coming back more faster. And the comes, it wasn't comes on these items, so that's what is scared me a little bit. But this one worth, this whole experiment worth, I will let you know, because it will be something different in my store, in, you know, beside clothing, and we will see. So yeah, so it will be a second part for this video, and let me know if you like this kind of videos, and let me know if you would like to see more videos like this in my channel, or more for Amazon. I am open to suggestions. And remember, for we can keep doing these videos, just leave a comment or like, watching until the end. If I am really boring, I'm sorry, but that helps a lot the channel, and it keeps us motivated to keeping doing this kind of videos. And I hope that we can bring more information like this. And if you don't know how to go and search the sales com for in therapy, let me know. I can make a video about that too. But therapy is my #1 source for fan.coms, besides to checking the soul coms when the URL out there, and the phone, you can doing that in therapy, and the computer, which is really cool. And all these numbers is compare all the listings that are in eBay. So yeah, I hope that you like the video, and see you in the next one. Remember, if I can do it, you can do it too. And blessings. Bye.